Kia ora. My name is Brandon Tai, and welcome to the latest episode of the Video Weekly Diary series. We'll kick things off with our notable events of the week. Auckland Airport has announced that it's conducting an equity raising of up to $1.2 billion to reinforce its balance sheet and ensure that it remains well capitalised during this period of strict border controls and significantly reduced passenger numbers. This is all with the aim of ensuring it is well positioned for a post-COVID-19 recovery. The equity raising includes a $1 billion fully underwritten placement and a $200 million share purchase plan. Following the special meeting held last week, the Board of Livestock Improvement Corporation has announced that the proposed strategic investment in Afamilk has not received the shareholder support required to proceed. LIC had announced in February that it was seeking shareholder approval to acquire a 50% stake in Afamilk. MetLife Care announced that the Asia Pacific Village Group, or APVG, has given notice of its intention to terminate the ongoing Scheme of Implementation Agreement. This scheme will seek to see APVG purchase all of the shares in MET for $7 per share. APVG are stating that a material adverse change clause has been triggered due to the ongoing COVID-19 event. MET is seeking legal guidance on the notice, but its initial views are that the assertions are without substance and that APVG does not have a lawful basis to terminate the SIA. Moving on to our weekly recap. The total value traded last week was $1.1 billion, with 64% of that value traded on market. We had a trade count of 239,000, and the S&P NZX 50 rose 0.28%, closing the week at 9,963. In global markets, the S&P 500 rose 12%, and the ASX 200 rose 6%. Further information on the weekly recap, including the value and volume of the NZX Top 10 securities, can be found in the weekly diary. And finally, our week ahead. Seeka are holding their AGM on Friday, and we also have a shortened trading week after the Easter holidays. Thank you for watching the weekly diary. Don't forget to check out the weekly diary and the links below for more information, and remember to stay safe, stay home, and be kind. Haere rā.